contestants. All right, come.
We are the Devil's Demons.
Oh, really?
My creation.
Okay, and that's the creator.
See, look at it. We just look bad.
Oh, wow. Yeah, so scary. You're right. I'm shaking. See? Okay. And next, contestants, please come forward and tell us.
Spicy.
What are you called? What's it called?
I don't know. Bloody Mary. Pupils.
What is it called?
Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary.
Bloody Mary Molly. All right. And you are quite pinkish. Thank you for your unique creation that almost matches your shirt.
I feel so sad. I got it in my ear.
Oh, let's see that.
No, it's in my ear.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, move your, oh, I saw it. Yep, good. Oh, there it is. We saw it. You are absolutely right. It is an ear. Thank you. All right, next contestants, please. What is this lovely look called?
Ball trip gone wrong. Way gone wrong.
Oh, yeah, I see how that happens.
Eyelash. I actually got to.
Very unique and creative. Thank you very much for sharing. Next contestants, come forward, please. What are you calling this lovely look?
This is the Bride of Frankenstein.
Oh, the Bride of Frankenstein. Oh, I love
What's
it.
unique about this look is this white stuff. It's really mold, but it looks like lotion.
Oh, let's see. Mold. That's interesting. Could we turn it into penicillin?
Sure.
If we were really sick and desperate?
Yeah, that'd be like eating Danielle's face.
Okay. And our next look, please.
This is Frankenstein.
Oh, are you two engaged? Very nice.
You guys are engaged.
Okay. Thank you for sharing. Oh, you guys look cute together. Okay. Next, please.
Okay. This is Morning with Marissa. It was inspired because that's what she looks like in the morning.
Oh, wow. Let's see what she looks like in the morning. Good morning, Marissa. Wow, lovely look. Good job. And all with your blindfold on, I'm sure. And what are you calling this lovely look?
Egyptian blue jay.
Ooh, I like it.
Snappy.
Amazing how you got all that eyeshadow right on the eyes. I love that. You are quite the artist. Thank you very much for sharing your unique creations.